What's good, YouTube? Let's talk about online dating. Before I start, I just want to ask you guys to subscribe to my blog if you haven't at girltalkwithguys.com. And subscribe to this channel if you always watch but you haven't subscribed yet. What are you doing? Anyway, back to online dating. People aren't always what they portray. Their dating and social media profiles are oftentimes more about who they wish they were than who they really are. Understand that what you see in someone's dating or social media profile is only what they want you to see, rarely anything more. Social media profiles are like commercials. And we've all seen commercials for a product or services that we thought looked awesome, only to be disappointed by the shit when we actually bought it, and ultimately found out that that commercial was bullshit. People are no different. Dating profiles are often full of romanticized ideas about what kind of partner a person thinks they are or wishes that they were. I mean, really, people aren't in the habit of exposing their flaws for good reason. Just imagine if a shitty guy described himself honestly. If he was just like, "Hi, I'm Craig. I'm 5.5 inches of narcissism and low ambition. I'll be sweet for a month or two and then become emotionally distant. You'll wonder what's wrong while I secretly DM other women. I'll like 3 ass pictures every day on Instagram and always finish before you in bed. Swipe right if you have 90 days to waste." As I said, no one would ever write Craig's ass back if he were honest. It's just easier to type bullcrap like, "I'm easygoing and I enjoy bike riding and long walks on the beach." If you're on social media and you want to get a more genuine idea of what type of person they may be, look at their status updates from the last few months, or longer if you're the stalker type. What kind of comments do they make? What kind of people are they engaging on social media? What kind of conversations do they contribute to? Do they have any passions that seem to align with yours? What kind of pictures do they post of themselves? A lot of selfies on the guy's page could possibly indicate a huge ego or him being self-obsessed. Are the pictures that they take natural or composed? A lot of composed pictures could indicate a reluctancy to open up or be seen as they really are. Are they always alone or in a group? If every picture is a group picture, they could be hard to pin down or separate from their friends. So if you don't like their friends or need a lot of alone time with your partner, this could be a problem. Are they trying to be seen a certain way? A question to ask yourself is, what are they trying to make you think about them by the things that they post? How are they trying to be judged? Do they want to be seen as fun, wise, adventurous, or well-off? That may be a clue to what's important to them. Some guys don't bother putting much information at all, which I know can be annoying, but that also says something. That shows a reluctancy to qualify themselves to others. It also shows that they are probably lazy socially and could possibly give that minimal effort to their new relationships. I was asked this week by a subscriber about what to watch out for when judging a man's online profile. My answer? Everything. People can be whatever they want on the internet. There are fake vegans, fake activists, fake models, fake directors, fake wise men, fake ballers, and everything in between. If you think a guy is cute, the best thing you can do is chit chat with him long enough to see if his ass is crazy. Try to ignore the social media advertisement that people show you. There's no secret to dating online. The best mindset to have is an open but skeptical one. Like I always say, love with your brain and date with discernment. I'm sorry if I don't have any wise words for this topic, but people are full of crap sometimes, no matter how nice their profiles look. There are websites dedicated to show anyone how to present themselves perfectly on social media and make anyone think that they're actually worth the time. Dating online is a gamble, just like dating in person. So that's it for now. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook now. Subscribe to my blog. I'll get with y'all later.